Hey everybody, doing a video, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Beverly and this is Bevies Crafty Plans. On my channel, I focus my life through planning, and I am an avid crafter, so I do a lot of crafting. I'm on 3 different design teams, so I have to keep that all together and organized. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with this doll right here. Sassy Classy 2. This is just how I felt about taking on this week, and I said let me go ahead and turn the camera on and film this. This is my personal planner where I keep this with me to write stuff down and all of that type of stuff to keep on track of what goes into my main planner, which is the Happy Planner. And my daily planner is an EC daily. So for those of you that don't know, I PR for her for this shop, Mariposa Studios. You can use my code Beverly20, that's BEVERLY 20, and you'll save 20%. She has awesome dolls. I'm a hoarder, yes I am, but let me get to her dolls. See all her stuff, like, not that, but there's the purple one. I have Wonder Woman back here that I'm hoarding. I have Coffee Queen. I have her. Look at her. And the Melanin Queens. I have several of those. I have a video. I'm going to try to link it in the cards where I unbox these and show my haul of her stuff. All of this is filled with her dolls and stickers and stuff like that. Okay, so get into it, y'all. Please go visit her shop. She is a wonderful person inside and out, and she does have quality dolls. I need to stop hoarding, but it's hard, you know, but I'm ready to use it now. So I pulled out this Gold Mining Cocoa sticker book because it was just easier to plan with it, but I may be going in a different direction. But let me make her the focal point before I do anything else. Make her the focal point. My nails won't let me do anything. And then I can proceed from there. Boom. So I just wanted to compliment the page with some flowers and stuff like, oh, I like this one. I think it goes well. I have my Live Love Posh sticker book over here too. Before I pick this flower, let me look at what Posh has to compliment my girl. Oh, look at the vase and the flowers. I might. And these, let me use these. So guys, I hope you are enjoying my content. I've been going live a lot and I haven't been really putting up my videos like I used to, so I'm just trying to incorporate them back into the rotation and everything like that. I have a Patreon, guys. Yes, I bit the bullet and got a Patreon. So please, please, please go over there and check out the perks. I made it affordable for my friends because I know what it's like to want something and can't actually get it at that time. So please take a moment, go check it out and let me know what you think. I can't wait to get started and working with all of you, getting your planning together, and I'm gonna incorporate a crafting portion, crafting perks to it as well. So please look out for that. My goal and everything is to be a service and just work as hard as I can, you know, giving people the things that I look for and everything like that. So I'll put my must do and should do here. Let me erase this. I'm always moving about the house, so my stuff is never in one place, and I don't want to pull out multiple, because that's what I did last time, multiple things, because they was all over and I didn't get the full effect of my Tombow. But I want to erase some of this because I'm not using this. Let me see how this is gonna go. Okay. And you know me and Tombow don't get along. Look how he act. That's why I don't want to use him. But, you know, don't think too much about it. Just make sure it's a place that you enjoy and make you want to come back to it. A mistake in a planner or scribbling a planner is better than no plans. Okay? So try to remember that. And I wanted this to be laid back and casual for you guys. I didn't want to, you know, be all like robotic about it, if I should say, because we trying to get real life. I'm trying to show y'all how I'm working this thing for real, like not kidding. So I'm gonna put this here. Let me pull this page out if I could. Did I cut it? No, I didn't slip these, so. I don't know if these are pull-up friendly. So, but I'm gonna see right now. That's for sure. If it's pull-up friendly. You know, I'm just gonna keep working that stuff, work my plans until I can't work them anymore. You know? Yeah, see, you can't pull it up. So, I'll leave it like that. Because this, you know, nobody, I'm not worried about how stuff is supposed to look and all that stuff. Inspiration for the week. I really want to put a scripture there. So, I'll be doing that. This says, every day, no matter what I face, I can smile and love others. See, I like that. I'll put that right there. This girl can. I'm going to put that over here on Monday. Let's see. I gotta have my Friday info. Because I got an appointment right there. I know I have another appointment. I know I got my goings on for Wednesday. Wednesday's usually jam-packed. So Okay. Then let me see. I want to put this here because this is the day I really be chilling and pre-planning my week and stuff. Sunday too, but mostly this day. But we get ready for the weekend around about Thursday. I want to put this, you know, right, so I really love and enjoy how comfortable I have become with my planner and how I plan things and how I don't let what I see distract me. And I know this is crooked and I can live with it with no problem. You know, the important part is, are you planning? Are you setting your goals and accomplishing them? Yeah, we all know. Y'all come on my planner lives. Y'all see how much better I can do. You know, sometimes. But sometimes I just like to go with the flow and see what shakes up. You know, so we gotta like stop being so serious about everything, because it's really not that deep. No, I don't want that there. I'll put it like that. You know, so see, my plans are made for the week. All I have to do is jot the plans down, and that's that. So now I'm going to close it up, and I'm done. So if you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, what you waiting for? It's fun over here. Hit the notification, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified each and every time I go live. I bring hauls. I do some crafty goodness. We're going to be doing some Bible journaling. So come on and stick around and join the family. Thank you for watching. Bye.